Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. So today we are going to learn about work efficiency of vacuum dryer to gain score palm oil or CPO at PTPN 14 Luwu Palm Oil Factory Business Unit. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce my team. I'm Yasmin as a moderator today, and Siti Hardiyani Amin, Muhammad Miftahul Munif, and Husnul Ma'rifah as a speaker. All right, we will start by explaining about this stingy background. For Husnul Ma'rifah, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. In the processing CPO, what must consider is the efficiency of extraction in the product and the performance of the tool, because it greatly affects the production of yet obtained and the quality of the product in reduction. In the processing of palm oil also needs to be strived of increase the product and quality of palm oil so that the oil produced is worth market. Therefore, research was conducted on the efficiency of vacuum dryer tool in PTPN 14 Luwu Palm Oil Factory Business Unit in production oil that is in accordance with standards. Okay, next. Palm oil or Alat guineensis is a tropical rainforest plant in West Africa, mainly in Cameroon, Ivory Coast, Liberia, Nigeria, Syria, Leone, Togo, Angola, and Congo. Palm oil belongs to the kingdom plant division of Magnoliophyta, class of Liliopsida, order Arecales, fin I Arecaceae, and genus Alat. Part palm fruit consists of 4 parts, namely: Part 1, exocarp, is a radiance and slippery part of the skin of the fruit. Part 2, mesocarp, is a fruit fiber. Part 3, the endoscarp, is the protective cell of the core. Part 4, kernel or palm kernel, is an endosperm and embryo with a high quality for oil content. Okay, I will return to the moderator.
All right, thank you for Husnul Ma'rifah. The next slide is about crude palm oil. CPO is a crude palm oil produced from mesocrep or yellow palm fruit fiber obtained by extraction and has not undergone purification. Palm oil is different from palm kernel oil produced from the same fruit core. Palm oil is also different from coconut oil produced from the core of coconut fruit. The difference is in the color in which palm oil is not red because it doesn't contain carotenoids. Okay, next slide. Okay, the next topic is about vacuum dryer. The next speaker is Siti Hardiyani Amin. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity for me. Now I will explain a vacuum dryer. Vacuum dryer is a vertical cylinder-shaped device equipped with a pressure gauge found in a palm oil processing plant with the capacity of a vacuum dryer is 9 tons per hour. Vacuum dryer serves to reduce and even eliminate the water content present in the oil before the transfer to the storage tank. It is expected that the water content contained in the oil is not more than 0.015%. The temperature of the process in the vacuum dryer remains at 19 Celsius degree to help evaporate the water content contained in the oil. The function of the vacuum dryer is to reduce the water content in the oil. The process of separating oil from water through the vacuum evaporation system. In vacuum, there is a reduction in water content caused by air or water vapor in the vessel sucked up and discharged through the server pipe. While oil is pumped into the timbun tank or storage tank. Okay, I think that's all. I will take the back to the moderator.
Well, thank you so much for Siti Amin for the explaining about vacuum dryer. Let's move on to the next slide. Please, next slide. All right. The next slide is about how vacuum dryer works. The next speaker is Muhammad Miftahul Munir. Time is yours.
Yes, thanks to opportunity me. Here we have an image the working of the vacuum dryer. The first of the working of the vacuum dryer. The oil that comes out of the oil tank and inject into the floor tank. The second, in the floor tank, there is a tape spindle that works like an automatic valve to maintain the vacuum pressure in the vacuum chamber continuously. 3. The oil in the floor tank is shunt into the vacuum dryer through 6 nozzles. 6 nozzles are used so that the pressure and volume enter into the vacuum and controller. 4. 6 nozzles in the vacuum chamber inject oil into the surface of the defector in the form of a spray. 5. The purpose of the spray is to make dew so that the separation between oil and water mix in oil in easy to separate. 5. Oil injection in the form of a spray and coldly will fall to the spray surface of the plant defector and a second cloudy process occur. 6. While the oil is in a foggy stage, the water will be easy evaporate and sucked in by the vacuum pumps so that it come out of the vacuum chamber, then pumped into the hot water tank. The last, the day the dryer oil will fall to the bottom of the vacuum chamber and by pump using a dry oil pump to the strong tank. That's for me. I'll take in back to the moderator.
Well, thank you so much for Muhammad Miftahul Munir. I think that's all about work efficiency of vacuum dryer. Thank you so much for the time and for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.